Welcome back to another Zittle Farms YouTube video. On today's video, we're going to be installing this culvert pipe. I got this off Facebook Marketplace. Most of our property is over on this side. We have about a third to a half an acre on this side that is inaccessible other than through horse or ATV. I want to be able to get my mower, skid steer, tractor over here to mow if any trees come down, some firewood. This culvert pipe is for a spring that comes through here that's year-round, and then when it rains there's about 30 acres of hayfield and some of our property that'll run through here. So let's get started. Here. Talking it over with my dad, my initial thought was to put it here where like the ATV and horse crossing was before, but we'd have to bring in a lot of dirt, so we're actually just going to bring it over a little bit, clear this all out. This is already level, put the pipe in there and just have to backfill a little bit, and then this stays flat, and then if something happens we still have this area for ATVs or horseback if we need to. So first step is to clear all this brush out, and then we'll lower down into the creek a little bit and get the pipe in. Let's get to work. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed putting in this culvert pipe to access this other side of our property. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you haven't already, subscribe, that'd be great. Until then, see you on the next one.